Tea cakes. Imagine a kitchen filled with the warm, comforting aroma of freshly baked tea cakes. Easy enough for anyone to master, yet sophisticated enough to impress your afternoon guests. Let's dive into crafting these delightful treats. First, gather your ingredients, and here's what you'll need. 1 cup of sugar, 1 stick of unsalted butter, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, and half a cup of milk. Oh, and a dash of vanilla extract for that extra oomph. The first pain point often encountered is overly hard cakes. Pro tip, ensure all your ingredients, especially butter and eggs, are at room temperature. Cold ingredients don't mix well, leaving you with dense cakes. Rather than the soft, spongy texture we're aiming for, begin with creaming sugar and butter, and in a mixing bowl, beat them together until you achieve a light, fluffy consistency, a step often underestimated, but crucial for the perfect rise. Aim for about 4 minutes here, and you won't regret it. Now, the egg, and add it to the creamed mixture, beating until fully integrated. Avoid overbeating post-egg addition, as that can alter the cake's texture. A visual cue is a uniform pale yellow mixture. Your sign to stop. Shift your attention to dry ingredients, flour and baking powder, and mix them together, and gradually add this to the wet mixture. Alternating with the milk ensures seamless blending, an often overlooked step, leading to lumps if skipped. Stir in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Its subtle flavor brings everything together, creating a symphony of taste that dances on your palate with each bite. It's the secret ingredient that feels like a warm hug with every bite. Let's talk baking. Spoon the mixture into a prepared muffin tin or cake mold. Fill each compartment halfway to allow room for rising. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Key tip, rotate halfway through for even cooking. Once your timer rings, insert a toothpick into a cake. Comes out clean. Perfect. Allow the cakes to cool in the tin for a few minutes. Then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Patience pays off here with fluffier cakes. A common issue is dryness. To counter this, try brushing the tops with a light sugar syrup or a simple glaze. Not a must, but it elevates the cake's moisture and adds a glossy finish. And it's kind of like putting the cherry on top. Presentation is everything. Dust your cooled tea cakes with a bit of powdered sugar or add fresh fruit for color contrast. Aesthetics aren't just for Instagram. They enhance the overall tasting experience and entice reluctant eaters. Tea cakes that tick all the right boxes, easy, fluffy, and visually appealing. Combine them with a nice hot cup of tea, and you might just be tempted to call afternoons your new favorite time of day. Enjoy!